Hello everyone, it's me Blockcraftman here, and today we're going to be making a clicker game. And this will be part 1. Today we're going to focus on adding just the clicking and the number thing up here. And then in the next tutorial we will add the shop. So let's get started. First, you just basically need to choose what sprite you want. So you can use Scratch Cat, but I'm probably gonna use like a taco, or it can be like a fruit clicker or something like that. But for now, I'm just gonna use the taco. So this is the basic thing that you can do for the taco. Flat clicked forever. Wait until mouse down. Change size by 35. Then change size by -35. That's the basic way to do it, but it wouldn't show it, so we would add a weight 0.1 to it, and then it adds another click. So if you hold down on the mouse, it will do all that stuff. So wait until not mouse down. This should be at the end of the script. So like this. And then for the background, I would just use like a blue, and then you could add stripes going down it, or maybe you'd just use one of these backgrounds, like this one or something like that. Like the stripes one actually looks pretty cool. You can change it to blue, yeah, like that. Change it to whatever color you want. I'm gonna move this down a little. It should be 0, 0. And then, see, if you put the mouse down and it's not touching the taco, it will still do it. So, wait until mouse down and wait until touching mouse pointer and the mouse down. So now if it does that, it won't work. So now we're gonna make a variable. I'm just gonna rename my variable. It should be called score. Now this looks pretty boring, so this is what we're gonna do. First what we're gonna do is we're going to make a get into the choose a sprite, I think, and then if you go into letters, so maybe in all, then if you go scroll down, then there will be a lot of numbers. So 0, 1, 2, 3. there's not really an efficient way to get all those numbers fast. So I'm just gonna get all those numbers. Okay, I got all the numbers. So the numbers, I think they're a little big. So let's make them the size of 75 and see how that looks. 70? Yeah, 70 looks good. You're gonna put it here. And then basically this is what the code you want to do. When flag is clicked, forever switch costume to score. But this is what will happen if you just do that. And also when flag is clicked, set score to 0. Score is 0 and the costume now. So we haven't added that the score increases yet. Change score by 1, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. It's supposed to be so we're gonna set score to 1. 2. Actually, let's do this. We're gonna make another variable called number, and we're gonna set number, forever set number to score minus 1. I mean plus 1. So the score is, when the flag is clicked, set score to 0, and then I'll set it to 1. So instead of doing score, we're gonna do number, and then it should work. Number is 2 scored 1, and then it'll always match the actual score. So we're pretty much almost done. We're gonna hide the number, and whenever it basically has, when the score is equal to 10. So now we'll do, go back into numbers, to Blockcraftman, click forever, wait until score is equal to 10. If letter 2 or letter, so we're gonna check the first, so we need letter length of score is 2, so it would be letter 2, which is, if that length of score is equal to 0, first we're gonna create a clone of myself. Then the regular thing is just gonna change it to x by 10. So 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's not what's supposed to happen. Anyway, I'll continue doing this in the next tutorial. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.